Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and on my last video I asked you if you have any video requests or to let me know what your favourite kind of videos were, and most of the feedback that I got was that you really enjoy my vlogs, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to vlog my day and take you along with me. So at the moment, Ryan, my 4-year-old, is at nursery and Thomas has gone down for a nap, so I am just relaxing. I have got my book here that I have gone back to. I'm rereading this one because it was so good. I've got my devotion book here and I have got my Bible, and I'm just going to sit. I was going to go outside, but the sun hasn't quite reached the table area of the garden yet. If you can see, it's still up here. So I'm just going to sit here and do that. I have almost finished reading the Bible in a year. I've got a few more books left to go. I've been using the Bible reading plan and my goal was to get it all done by the end of June. So I'm on track for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. I have been doing my Bible reading is I sit with my highlighters. I've got this specific Bible for Christmas, so I'm just using this one as my reading Bible, not really a study Bible, even though it is a study Bible. I'm just reading through all of the books of the Bible, following the plan, and then I highlight anything in purple that is to do with God. So anything that kind of shows his character and anything that he promises or says. So I've been using purple for that, and then I use a blue for things that are kind of the main things that are going on in each book. So if I was to skim read it, and I would know straight away like what is going on in the book. And then in pink I highlight anything that I can apply to my life that I'm finding is important, or things that I need to work on in my Christian walk. So pink is for that. So I've just been kind of reading it but highlighting at the same time, so it's not a quick read, but I'm also drawing things out of it as well at the same time. And then if I find anything that I really want to study, I go and use my NLT Illustrated Study Bible to do that. But at the moment I'm just reading through the Bible and highlighting those things. If you watched my last video, you will have seen that I have quit my teaching job and I'm planning on doing supply, but I also keep checking the job websites every day just to see if there's anything out there that takes my fancy. So if I'm able to find a nursery teaching job that is just mornings or just afternoons, I will probably apply for it if it's in my area. So I just keep checking every single day, so I'm going to do that now, just have a little look on and see if there's anything out there. I also need to pay for my DBS form, which is a criminal record check to make sure that I'm safe to work with children and everything. You have to have them if you're going to work with children in the UK. I'm sure you do in most countries. I hope you do. Anyway, so I have to pay for that. I've applied for it. It's all gone through. I just need to pay for it now. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to film some reels because I have been wanting to do that for ages, but I just never get the time. So once I've done all of my little tasks, I'm going to go sit in the garden. I've finished my Bible reading, but I'm going to go do my devotion reading out there and just enjoy my coffee in the sunshine.
Place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on.
Okay, so I've just had a quick change into a loose fitting t-shirt and some cycling shorts. I'm going to do a 20-minute workout and then I'm going to go get Ryan from nursery.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me.
Okay, so it's now a little bit later. Ryan is home from nursery and Thomas is just here too, and Ryan wants to make some chocolate chip cookies. So luckily the other day I bought these Cadbury's squidgy cookie mix, so we're very excited to try these out. And they're very easy to make. So right, let's wash our hands.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
Okay, so we've just had a grocery delivery, so I thought I would show you what I've got. I am not one of these super healthy people. I wish I was, but this is a very real haul of groceries for our family. So this is for the next few days. I've got some frozen sweet potato fries. They are definitely not as healthy as buying a real sweet potato and chopping them up, but for ease, I've just got these this week. We do the Vitalite dairy-free margarine. I've got some tomato puree, meatballs and chopped tomatoes, all for dinner tomorrow night. Then for the children, I've got some of these fruit pouches. They really like them, and these smoothies, which Ryan is desperate for. Which flavour do you want? Get one for Thomas as well, please. Okay, then I got some Weetabix with chocolate chips in. That's Ryan's favourite. And for Dan, strawberry, apple and raspberry granola. I got some of these jellies because they are really low calorie and a lovely little snack. Some Scotch pancakes, rainbow cookie mix, some summer fruits juice and chocolate chips. I've got white chocolate and normal because I like to put these in my coffee. Make a mocha, and Ryan likes to have these sometimes on his cereal. I got some bourbon biscuits, which are the boys' favourite, and then I've got some cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, tangerines, blueberries, grapes and strawberries. And then I've also got some feta cheese because we're doing pizza topped chicken one night. And I've also got fajita mix because we're having fajitas tonight. And then I've just thought I would try one of these for my lunch this week. I've had them before and I enjoyed them, so I just got the chicken tikka masala. I've also got some chicken breasts, and these are my absolute favourite coffees at the minute, the iced mochas. So I've got 2 of them and some almond milk, and then some chocolate hazelnut spread.
But I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see.
Okay, I am going to end the vlog here. Dan's on making our fajitas, so I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!